Hello students, we will be discussing here self-inductance. This is EMI topic, self-inductance. So firstly we will discuss what is self-inductance. Self-inductance basically a property of coil which oppose any change in strength of current flowing through coil. Current is induced an EMF, current through an induced EMF in itself. So if I is increase, then EMF induced in opposite directions. If I is decrease, then EMF is induced in these directions. So from here we get flux phi is directly proportional to I. So from phi we can write phi equal to L into I. Here L is a self-inductance, coefficient of self-inductance. Coefficient of self-inductance. Now L equal to, if I is equal to 1, then self-inductance is equal to flux. If I equal to 1, then self-inductance is equal to flux. Now L is in induced EMF term. We can write L is in induced EMF term. So firstly we know induced EMF. Induced EMF is equal to minus d phi upon dt, change in flux with respect to time, d phi upon dt. From here phi is equal to L into I, so we can write minus d L into I. L is a constant, so we can take outside. So this is equal to minus L and di upon dt. So from here L is equal to minus E upon di upon dt. Now we can calculate from here unit of self-inductance. So negative sign represent only directions. So L is equal to 1 unit, 1 volt, EMF for 1 volt, and current 1 ampere per second. 1 ampere per second. So this is equal to 1 Henry. 1 volt for 1 ampere. This is equal to 1 Henry. Now we will discuss dimension formula for L from here. So L is equal to E only for magnitude, d we can write dt upon di. So this is equal to E equal to EMF induced EMF equal to work upon charge. So this is equal to work upon charge. Work means energy, unit of energy. So we know dimension formula for energy is equal to M1 L2 T minus 2, and for time is T, and here for Q is ampere time, and I for ampere. So from here T cancel, and we can write dimension formula of L is self-inductance is M1 L2 T minus 2 and ampere minus 2. Ampere minus 2. So thank you for today's session.